How to cure cold and cough in a natural way. I've been telling this to a couple of my friends, and they recommended me to put up a video. So that is the reason I want to have a video for this. So in Tamil we call it as Pati Vaitiyam, means curing the disease using the home foods, home-based ingredients. For this, we need three ingredients. Ingredient one is betel leaf, 4 or 5 betel leaves. Ingredient two is 10 whole pepper, not crushed one. Ingredient three, 1 or 2 pieces of turmeric stick, dried turmeric stick. Um, take a pan and pour some water, 2 glasses of water. Mince this betel leaf and put it in the water and start boiling it. While boiling it, crush this turmeric stick and pepper and make it ready. After 5 minutes, put this turmeric and pepper crushed one and wait for the water to turn into brownish color. Once the water turn into brownish color, switch it off. Wait for a while until the water turn into room temperature. Then filter it and drink it. That's it. Just drink it after the meals, morning and evening, for a couple of days. I'm sure you will get out of cold and cough. Means you will be completely out of cold and cough. This is one of the best party vaitium or natural medicine for cold and cough which I have experienced in my life. Thank you very much.